In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching and crash on startup issues on PC. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type run, click on open it and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find Hogwarts Legacy folder, double click on it and double click on saved and double click on config and double click on Windows no editor. Right click on the game user settings and select delete option. If the game already opened, the config is often corrupted or contains unsupported settings. Deleting it forces the Hogwarts Legacy to create a fresh, clean config at the next launch. Launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If that didn't work, as you can see, the game user settings has been recreated. If the game crashes because your PC is low end, forcing low settings in the config can let it launch. Right click on the game user settings and select edit in notepad. Then scroll down and find scalability groups. Set every values to 0 except the resolution quality. Then select file and select save option and the settings will be saved in game. Just close off here and launch the game with low settings in config. If that didn't work, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select controlled folder access and select this allow an app through controlled folder access. Select yes and open the Epic Games. Select the three dot icon next to the game and select manage and select this open file install location. Copy this file path. After copying it, just close up here and go back to Windows Security. Select add an allowed app and select browse all apps. Paste the path we copied and press enter and open this folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder and select the Hogwarts Legacy.exe and select open option. And as you can see, the game has been added to this list. Windows Defender controlled folder access blocks game from writing save files, creating config file, loading shaders. When blocked, the game fails to launch silently with no errors. So adding this, the game can write files. So open the game and I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.